Alright, what's up with a short episode of Definitely Not Mechanics? I cracked a wheel. Nick is here to take my wheels to the tire shop with me. These are the ones I'm running now. Woo! Put some tires on them bad boys.
Look at these new hats.
Whew. I know.
Man, look at that.
It didn't even focus.
All right, so I got a present for the Mercedes, okay? And I feel like it suits it really well. And a Wooga horn. I'm pretty excited about this.
Dude, if we were in a band, I would kick you out of the band.
But you are not a Jedi yet.
You playing some copyright-free music in here?
I was not. Man, I'm digging this hat.
Dude, I am too. Mine's pretty fucking sick. The blue came out way brighter than I thought it was going to, and I'm glad that it did.
The red on the mesh back. I went down this alley earlier.
Oh yeah. I was gonna ride my bike to work this morning. Glad I didn't, because now it's fucking raining. But I was like trying to map out how long it would take me to do 2.6 miles on a bicycle. And I was looking at it, and it would not tell me because we live in Texas and people don't bike places. So I kind of took that as a sign. I did not bike.
Don't do that.
How fast do you think you can do 2.6 miles on a bike? A beach cruiser, not a 10-speed.
It would have to hold me first.
Oh, it can hold you. You got that wide ass seat on mine.
Okay, good.
I'll put the basket on there to hold your
I appreciate
snacks and drinks, you know?
my beer. I don't know, maybe like 30 minutes.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, probably 30 minutes if I'm cruising. I think if I was booking it, man, I could probably get there in 15 or 20.
Well, I can walking a mile.
How long does it take you to walk a mile?
I can walk 3 miles in about an hour. Easily an hour.
You walk 3 miles an hour?
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Easy.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like 3 miles an hour isn't even like a strut. You're meandering. So what's it like trying out the ghetto for the first time, Nick?
Judging by the cars alone, they went to AutoZone to pimp their rides.
There's plenty of them though. Like there's a lot of auto zones. There's not any liquor stores in this ghetto though. That's what's weird.
There's no liquor stores?
Mm-mm. Not in this area.
All that's needed in the ghetto is malt liquor.
That's true. There's tons of beer and wine stores.
Yeah, that's all you need.
Beer, wine, lotto, here. Discount cigarettes, here. Find out that you are not the father, here.
They won't keep the good shit.
Wow.
Bro.
You suck. Oh, he made it!
Oh my god.
Dude.
I was sitting in the middle of the intersection.
He just sat here and teetered for a while. Clean though, clean though. That's wild. Alright, so apparently this is the joint. I found a dude on Facebook Marketplace that was gonna sell me these tires installed for 200 bucks, so I assumed he worked at a shop. But the dude's not here right now, so I don't know, like, if he's the owner or something. Talked to the guys inside, and they were like, we don't know anything about it. You gotta wait on him to get here. So I don't know if it's a weird situation or a shady situation, but we're certainly gonna figure it out right now. With R&R Tires Plus, if you see this and don't hear anything else from us, just know we got murdered over $200 tires. We're gonna go find something to drink real quick while we wait on Robert.
What the fuck was revving?
I don't know. All right, they're all done. We're ready to roll. All right, I feel like that was a pretty good deal. 200 even is what I talked them down to. Installed, mounted, balanced, new valve stems, brand new tires with stickers on them. So I'm pretty excited. I'll go throw these on the truck and do some burnouts.
It can't be burnouts.
Yeah, it definitely can, especially with these on there.
I don't know.
I'll show you. Okay, so here we are. It's the next day. As you can see from the video, it was kind of wet, rainy last night. It has been that way today up until about probably an hour ago. I ended up putting these on this morning in the rain, and then the sun came out and I felt fucking stupid. But here they are in all their dirty glory. As you can see, it really accentuates that fender gap there that wasn't there with the bigger wheels and tires. These are only like, I think, 2 to 3 inches total diameter shorter. Like the look though. Honestly, I wish I had bigger spacers now so they'd poke out more. But once we drop it down some more, I think we'll really end up liking the stance of this. Strongly considering cutting a coil out of my lowering springs, because I've never cut coils out of lowering springs and I'd like to be lower. It does scrape. You can probably see from the light amount of driving that I've done today that the exhaust pipe has been scraped up. Catch on that pretty often. I have, however, been slamming the absolute shit out of my sway bar. That's what hangs the lowest there. I've been slamming the absolute shit out of my sway bar down there into pretty much everything. Update on the rust. This video hasn't dropped yet, but it'll be a short one. It is coming along nicely. As far as rust goes, it's not what I want to do, but honestly, I see why Zach ended up with a solid rust truck, because it is kind of addicting. Once you take it down to bare metal, you're like, oh, that looks great. And then like it rains once or twice, and you're like, oh, it's a little rusted, but it still looks cool. And then it rusts a little bit more, and you're like, man, that still looks rad. Honestly, I would clear it right about here if I wanted to keep a little bit of rust, just because it looks like a leopard. I do like leopards. I do have to find some center caps for them. That is for sure. I've been looking at a few different styles. I really just need to get out here with a mic and measure these and figure out what size I need. But this is it, guys. This is it. For something that I had to do in a crunch and it wasn't really on the list of things I was going to do, and for a size that I didn't necessarily want, it ended up turning out pretty well. Preferably, I would have taken a 195/65 to be a little bit taller, or even like a 205 60, which would have been a little bit taller, but nonetheless, these work well. They move the truck. That's all I need them for, really. Once it's lowered, the style will come back a little bit, but for right now, we're fine. It's dirty, fucking shitty season anyways, so nobody's really doing any car meet, so I'm not tripping about it. As always, really appreciate you guys supporting us, buying our merch on definitely.mechanics.com, as well as just watching the videos. If you just want to let the videos just play on your computer all day as background noise, not going to be mad at it. We're at 85% of our view time to be monetized. Rack that shit up, dog. But until next time, fuck off, everybody.